We're going to be shooting the watermelon with the Colt Python using some deer rounds. And we got a comment on this. Somebody wanted to see it, so that's what we're going to do. And here's the watermelon.
One's gonna be mad.
I got watermelon on me and my gun that my wife cleaned. Got watermelon on your chest.
Don't taste good.
So there's what's left of the watermelon. And best thing they want to say, just let us know.